West Virginia, but that's damn sure where I'll die. You can put my ashes in the creek and let me float on by. All I need is an acre and a half on a church gravel road, a 2-room shack and a wood-burning stove. I'll sit and watch that Tuck Fork flow till the day that the good Lord calls me home. I'm tired of waking up early, still running late, cursing every man, woman, and child on the interstate. Oh, and you clock in till you clock out and you drag back home. Son, how you gonna find the paradise in the sky if you ain't found the one you're on?